What was the rebate deadline day like at your Kia dealership?
We were sold out. So people knew it was coming. A lot of those people were not waiting for the last day. We did have some inquiries the day of, and we just said, sorry, we'll let you know if we get one in, but that's not going to be there anymore.
Do you guys stock a lot of used EVs?
When we can, we do. Being in the Midwest, it's a little bit more rural than your Californias or your New Yorks. Also, in the North, it's a little colder, so there's a little bit of hesitance for EVs. The Madison market is unique. It's a college town, but also a really strong art scene. There's a lot going on. And so EVs do really well in our area specifically. So there are people who have owned them and are trading them in. Me being the EV specialist, I reach out to people and I bug them and I remind them that EVs have come a long way since they may have bought theirs. So we're trying to get them in all the time, but they're not as common, obviously, as non-electric vehicles.
So we're now into the fourth quarter. The media narrative was like, there will not be a single EV sold, new or used, in Q4 because all of the action happened prior to September 30th. Are you still selling EVs?
When we get a new EV in, it has a very short shelf life. All the benefits to EV ownership still exist. So you have family and friends of potential customers who are raving about their car. That word of mouth is powerful.
So it sounds like basically you guys are not selling as many EVs in Q4, but because you're more supply constrained than because of any drop off in demand.
Absolutely. This week, I've gotten 3 inquiries on specifically the Kia EV9, because again, these sorts of customers, they do their research. They're detail oriented. The EV9 is the EV of the year last year. Yeah. It gets a lot of attention, and we don't have any on our lot this second, but we do have something coming. A lot of people are doing all of their research online. They're very confident. They've seen the reviews, they've watched the videos, and they will buy a $60,000, $70,000, $80,000 vehicle sight unseen. Let me tell you, my EV9 customers are my happiest customers.